Welcome to our channel. Today we bring you the latest and greatest smartwatch on a budget. Get ready as we dive into the top 5 best smartwatch on Aliexpress. All the links of the smartwatch are in the description below the video. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Introducing the ECG+PPG Health Smartwatch, the ultimate health companion that keeps you on track with your vital health metrics. With its advanced features and sleek design, this smartwatch is designed to improve your overall health and well-being. Let's take a closer look at what it has to offer. Whether you're going for a run or hitting the gym, this smartwatch tracks your heart rate using ECG and PPG technology. Its accurate heart rate monitoring allows you to optimize your workouts and make informed decisions about your training intensity. But it doesn't stop there. This watch goes above and beyond by measuring your blood pressure, blood sugar levels, and blood oxygen levels whenever you need it. With just a tap on your wrist, you can easily keep track of these vital health parameters, providing you with a holistic view of your well-being. The ECG+PPG Health Smartwatch is not only designed for workouts, it's a watch you can wear every day, no matter the occasion. With its IP68 waterproof rating, you can wear it while swimming, showering, or even in the rain without worrying about water damage. In addition to its health monitoring capabilities, this smartwatch also includes a thermometer, allowing you to check your temperature whenever needed. With its user-friendly interface and intuitive controls, all these functionalities are just a tap away, providing you with a seamless and hassle-free experience. So whether you're looking to take control of your fitness goals, monitor your health, or simply want a stylish timepiece, the ECG+PPG Health Smartwatch is the answer. With its advanced features, accurate monitoring, and sleek design, it truly is the all-in-one health smartwatch you've been waiting for. Get your ECG+PPG Health Smartwatch today and start your journey towards a healthier and more connected future. Introducing the KAVSUMI Smartwatch, the perfect combination of style, convenience, and advanced features. With its stunning AMOLED H screen and always-on display, this smartwatch offers a crystal-clear view of all your important information without needing to wake it up. Say goodbye to constantly tapping your watch to check the time or your notifications. The KAVSUMI Smartwatch keeps things effortlessly accessible. Designed to keep up with even the most active individuals, this smartwatch boasts an impressive IP68 waterproof rating. So whether you're swimming, sweating it out during a workout, or caught in an unexpected rain shower, the KAVSUMI Smartwatch can handle it all. Say goodbye to fumbling for your phone when it rings. The KAVSUMI Smartwatch allows you to make and receive calls directly from your wrist thanks to its Bluetooth call feature. Now you can stay connected and never miss an important call, even when your phone is out of reach. The KAVSUMI Smartwatch is not just a stylish accessory, it's also a reliable fitness companion. Equipped with sports and fitness tracking abilities, it helps you monitor your workouts, track your progress, and achieve your fitness goals. Stay motivated and achieve new heights with the KAVSUMI Smartwatch by your side. Available in sleek and elegant designs, the KAVSUMI Smartwatch is perfect for both men and women. Its versatile style seamlessly blends in with any outfit, making it suitable for any occasion. The KAVSUMI Smartwatch, where style meets functionality. Experience the future of wearable technology and upgrade your daily routine today. Introducing the NFC Smart Watch, the perfect blend of style and technology, designed for both men and women. With its array of features, this smartwatch takes connectivity and health tracking to a whole new level. With built-in NFC technology, this smartwatch allows you to make payments conveniently right from your wrist. No need to fumble for your wallet or phone. Just a simple tap and you're good to go. Fitness enthusiasts, this one is for you. The NFC smartwatch is equipped with advanced sports tracking capabilities. Whether you're running, cycling, or engaging in any other physical activity, this smartwatch will monitor your progress, providing real-time data to help you reach your fitness goals. Your health is of utmost importance, and the NFC smartwatch understands that. It features a heart rate monitor that accurately measures your heart rate throughout the day. Stay informed about your overall health and make more informed decisions. But that's not all. This smartwatch goes a step further and offers ECG and PPG monitoring. Understand your heart's rhythm and detect any irregularities effortlessly. With the help of the NFC Smart Watch, you can stay proactive in monitoring your cardiovascular health. Sharing data has never been simpler. Utilizing near-field communication NFC technology, you can instantly transfer files, contacts, or even information with a mere tap. It's quick, secure, and convenient. The NFC Smart Watch, the ultimate companion for the modern individual. Stay connected, track your fitness, monitor your health, and enjoy the convenience of NFC technology, all from a single stylish timepiece. Embrace the future. Get your NFC Smart Watch now. Introducing the Xiaomi K55 Military Smart Watch, the perfect companion for the adventurous souls who seek a blend of style and durability. With its sleek design and impressive features, the Xiaomi K55 is built to withstand the toughest of conditions while keeping you connected to what matters most. Featuring a vibrant 1.85-inch touchscreen, the Xiaomi K55 offers a crystal-clear display that ensures easy readability in any environment. Thanks to its Bluetooth call feature, you can conveniently make and receive calls right from your wrist without the need to reach for your phone. Stay connected on the go, anytime, anywhere. The Xiaomi K55 goes beyond just telling time. With its 24-hour health monitoring feature, it keeps track of your heart rate, blood oxygen levels, and sleep patterns. It's like having your own personal health assistant on your wrist. Don't let the fear of water hold you back. The Xiaomi K55 is IP68 waterproof, allowing you to dive into life's adventures without worrying about damaging your smartwatch. Whether you're hiking through rugged terrains or pushing yourself in intense workout sessions, the Xiaomi K55 can keep up with your active lifestyle. Its durable construction and long-lasting 350 mAh battery ensure that it won't let you down. Experience the perfect blend of ruggedness and smartness with the Xiaomi K55 Military Smart Watch, designed to be your ultimate outdoor companion. Xiaomi K55 Military Smart Watch, the power of smartness, built for the toughest challenges. Introducing the ChiBear Smart Watch, the perfect blend of fashion, technology, and health all wrapped into one stylish piece. Get ready to experience the ultimate smart watch for women. The ChiBear Smart Watch comes equipped with Bluetooth calling, allowing you to stay connected to your loved ones on the go. No need to reach for your phone anymore, simply answer calls directly from your wrist. Keep your hands free and stay connected effortlessly. But that's not all. The ChiBear smartwatch takes your health and wellness seriously, offering an ECG and PPG monitoring system. It tracks your heart rate and provides you with valuable insights into your cardiovascular health. With just a touch, you can keep an eye on your heart health, allowing you to make informed decisions about your well-being. Looking to step up your fitness game? The ChiBear smartwatch is here to assist you. With its fashion-forward design and sport features, it seamlessly blends into your workout routine. Whether you're going for a jog or hitting the gym, this smartwatch will be your perfect companion, providing you with accurate data and encouraging you to achieve your fitness goals. Worried about everyday wear and tear? Don't be. The ChiBear smartwatch is built to withstand your active lifestyle. Featuring a waterproof design, it can handle the occasional splashes or sweat, ensuring it remains functional without compromising its elegant appearance. Don't miss out on the future of smartwatches. Step up your game with the ChiBear smartwatch, the perfect blend of technology, fashion, sport, and health. Get yours today and experience the ultimate smartwatch designed exclusively for women. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.